Businesses are typically focused on how they can increase their profits, but it's just as important to focus on how you can reduce your costs. So today, we're going to go through how making your transactions faster is going to ultimately reduce your costs in your company. Let's take an example. You're a business buying TVs from a supplier in China. You use a bank transfer and your payment arrives in 2 to 3 business days. The supplier confirms the payment and puts your TVs on the boat from China and on their way to your warehouse in America. Each TV you sell, you get $1,500 for. You sell all 100 TVs in the first day. You've now got $150,000 worth of sales. $50,000 of that is your profit to your pocket. The process took 2 to 3 days for the payment to confirm, 6 days for the stock to arrive at your warehouse in the USA, and 1 day for you to sell it all in your online commerce store. Total of 10 days for your supply chain. So every 10 days, your business is making $50,000 selling TVs online. People ask where speed is useful or advantageous. If you use a service like Wyre that has less than 6-hour delivery for payments, you can increase this efficiency significantly, and here's how. Breaking it down, if I earn $50,000 in revenue for every total supply cycle I go through, and I don't have infinitely deep pockets, then my goal is to stretch and optimize my current capital as much as I possibly can. The key point here is that when you shrink your payment cycle, you now have just over 4 of these cycles per month instead of 3. With the revenue coming in each cycle, that's just over $57,000 in added revenue per month without any additional costs. When you're picking a partner to deliver your payments, don't just look at the fees, look at how fast the money will get to your supplier. You can sell more with the same resources that you already have simply by optimizing the way you transfer money. While these are just example numbers, there's a very real reason that people say time is money. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below or tweet us at SendWyre.